Hi everybody, in this video we'll explain why simple covalent substances have low melting and boiling point. So let's use the example of ammonia to illustrate. So you might see questions like this, for example, the first one where you need to explain why ammonia is a gas at room temperature, and the second version maybe you might have something like this: deduce and explain the melting point and boiling point of ammonia. So both these examples here require you to explain that ammonia has a low melting and boiling point. Okay. So how we should answer or attempt to explain this, we can use this template here to explain. So first, we can explain the structure of the substances in question. So in this case, we have ammonia, NH3. So NH3 or ammonia exists as simple covalent molecules. So they might look something like this. So as you can see here, each individual molecule of ammonia consists of one nitrogen atom and 3 hydrogen atoms. Okay, then the next thing we can do is to explain the forces of attraction present in the substance. Okay, in the case of simple covalent molecules like this, there are two forces of attraction. The first one is inside the molecule, which I shade here in green. So in the molecule or within the molecule, there exists strong covalent bonds. And in the case of ammonia, the covalent bonds exist between the nitrogen and hydrogen atoms. The second type of forces of attraction that exist here are between the molecules. These are weak intermolecular forces of attraction. So when we are attempting or trying to melt or boil ammonia, the force of attraction we are trying to overcome is not the strong covalent bond here. Because if you are trying to overcome these strong covalent bonds, then the nitrogen and hydrogen atom will be separated into their individual atoms and you no longer get an ammonia molecule. Rather, the force of attraction that we are trying to overcome here is the weak intermolecular force of attraction. Because by doing so, the nitrogen and hydrogen, or rather the ammonia molecule, will be spaced further apart. Maybe something like this. Okay, so therefore the forces of attraction we are trying to overcome in ammonia is actually the weak intermolecular forces of attraction. And the next thing we can mention is the energy required to overcome the forces. Okay, so since the forces of attraction we are trying to overcome is the weak intermolecular forces of attraction, the energy required is generally low. Then as a result, the melting and boiling point of the substance will be low. Okay, so there you have it. That's why in general, simple covalent substances have a low melting and boiling point. So if you find this video helpful, do consider liking and sharing this video, and do consider subscribing to this channel as well. See you in the next video.